Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to replace a PlayStation 3 Laser or Laser Mech. So what you're going to need is your PS3 security screwdriver, a large Phillips head screwdriver, a small or fine Phillips head screwdriver, and a scalpel, and of course your replacement laser or your replacement Laser Mech. Okay, so the first thing you need to do when pulling a PlayStation 3 apart is remove the warranty sticker, which is located just here. So this one's already been pulled off before. Okay, put that aside. And then you have to remove this rubber foot here, which you can just pop off with your fingers normally. Okay, and then there's a PS3 security screw in there. And that is the only security screw in the whole system. So all you have to do is unscrew it. Can be a bit tricky. Okay, so the next step is just to slide the entire top cover off to the side. It just pops off like that. Next, unscrew these 7 Phillips head screwdrivers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's a small one. Bigger one. Okay, so you should have one rubber foot, one PS3 security screw, one short screw, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long PS3 screws. So you get the next part off. You just lift it off, but there's normally a little catch in here that you have to press. You press it in there, and it unhooks it. Okay, next you have to remove the PS3 Blu-ray DVD drive from the PS3. So it's just sitting there loose. And you undo this cable here. Just pull it out. And there's also a cable there. And you just unclip that. Okay, so the next part is you have to pull the Blu-ray DVD drive apart. Before you get started, just unhook these. There's a little black and red wire thing there. Undo that. Unclip that one. Unclip that one. That one. And that one. Just undo all those. Next, use your small Phillips head screwdriver to undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small black Phillips head screws. then this little PCB board just comes out. So now you should also have 5 black screws. Next, undo the 2 silver screws here, and there's a little spring foot there as well. So you now have 2 small silver Phillips heads and a little spring foot thing. Next, you just open the DVD drive. Now I must point out at this stage that you should have ejected your disc from the PS3 before you get started. Don't do this with a disc in, it just makes it more difficult. Just pop stuff there. Just take off this magnetic spindle here. This pops off. Okay, next part is to undo the DVD drive a little bit further to get access to the laser mechanism. As I said, it's very important that you have the disc out of the PS3 disc before you get started, because it makes it much more difficult. So there's 4 black Phillips head screws. No, 5, sorry. And it definitely helps if your screwdrivers are magnetic. Okay, so at this stage you should have one rubber foot, the PS3 security screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long silver screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black Phillips head screwdrivers, 2 small silver Phillips head screws, not screwdrivers, 1 spring foot thingy, 1 magnetic spindle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more little black Phillips head screwdrivers. Okay, so the next part is you have to lift this red and black cable just out of this groove. That normally just tears the sticker as you lift it. Don't worry about it. Next, you just lift that off like that. It should come off without any hassles. And now you have access to the PS3 Laser or laser mechanism.